AI automation makes life so much easier for real estate agents and mortgage lenders who want to stay in touch with their client base and new leads, be responsive to new leads that come in. Using AI, you can stay ahead of the game. When there's a change in opportunity status, a new lead inquiry via any of your social media accounts, such as Facebook Messenger, Instagram, DM, or directly via text, or a form submitted, such as a Facebook form, for instance, or a form on your contact form from your website, you can set up the AI to instantly contact them and respond to them, trying to engage the lead, filter and qualify the leads, then nurture and send you or your team internal notifications about the new lead. In today's dynamic business landscape, AI cold calling emerges as a real game changer, redefining sales outreach strategies, leveraging advanced algorithms and natural language processing. Take a listen.
Buying a home is a big decision, and it's important to take your time and make sure you're ready before you take the plunge. I can help you assess your financial situation and make sure you're in a good position to buy.
Okay. Yeah, that would help.
Great. I'd be happy to help you with that, to provide you with the most fitting selections. Can I ask what type of property you're primarily interested in? For instance, are we focusing on condos, townhouses, or detached homes?
I'm focusing on condos, primarily in downtown Toronto.
AI seamlessly initiates conversations, identifies prospects, and nurtures leads, all while maintaining a personal touch. By automating initial contact, AI cold calling frees up your valuable time for sales professionals to focus on high-value tasks, ultimately boosting productivity and driving revenue growth. Automated birthday wishes. Ever forget a friend's birthday? Never again. With Workflow AI, you can set it to remember each and every one of your clients' birthdays or special events. And the same goes for appointment reminders or reminders to attend an event online. Reputation management. If your clients had a great experience, encourage them to let others know by leaving you a review. You can include a link that the AI will send out to them via text message or email, encouraging them to click the link and leave you a review. And then once the review is left, the AI can send out a message thanking them for their review and responding to the review itself. You can send out several reminders. This saves you the hassle of chasing up after clients, which is something we're not always so comfortable doing, aren't we? There's also always the live chat, social media messaging. You'll never have to miss another lead inquiry again using the AI automations from Real Leads Finder Pro. You set your automation to respond to live chat, Facebook direct messages, Instagram, WhatsApp, and text messages instantly. So using AI, you can stay ahead of the game. It's a secret weapon for success. Don't miss out on the future of business automation. Try Workflow AI conversations today and visit realleadsfinder.com for more information. Thanks for watching.